Hello there, I'm Tugustu Zarihun. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. I'll continue the lesson 1.3 Storage Drives. A computer drive is a piece of hardware that is used to read and store information on the computer, and that is usually not as easily removed as a disk. When you say computer drive, it's not a software, it is a piece of hardware. What is its purpose? To read and store information. Any computer have its own storage drive. The storage drive is, we say it, hard disk. For example, in Microsoft Windows, users can identify the drive Windows as detected by opening Explorer, clicking in Windows icon on the taskbar depending on the PC icon, opening this PC icon on the desktop or pressing the Window key plus E. How can we explore the storage drives? It's possible to view easily by using Window Explorer or using this PC by double clicking. Here are the disk drivers for a particular computer. We can use also Window key plus E. Window key plus E. It helps us to open the file explorer and we can explore or we can view the computer drive. Here, whenever someone saves his or her file on the computer, it simply means that the file is stored on the hard disk. When we save any file, we are transferring into hard disk. When we storing means we are saving. Currently, there are other ways of saving files using cloud-based drives. There are not only in a standalone computer, any standalone computer, a computer without a network, have its own hard disk. Again, we can use cloud-based drives. In 21st century, we have other type of drives over the network. OneDrive and Google Drive are examples of cloud-based drives on which files are stored. They are web-based server-side storage drives that helps us to upload and store our files. If in case our files are corrupted or deleted, we can have a backup profile in cloud-based drives. The best examples are OneDrive and Google Drive. What you have to know about when you use any storage drives? Each drive is assigned to a letter to identify it. This has its own letter, every drive. The letter identifies the root of the file where it is originated from, means the location where the file was saved in. For instance, here under this PC, C local disk C under parenthesis C colon. Here TGZT files under parenthesis F colon. They are drive letters. Drives and drive letters. A drive is alternatively referred to as a device letter. A driver letter is a single alphabetic character, like local disk C, that stores the operating system, the application software for a particular computer. A through Z, that is assigned to a physical computer drive or drive partition. For example, a computer with 3.5 floppy diskette drive has drive letter of A colon assigned to the drive computer containing a hard drive. Always have the default hard drive assigned to C colon drive letter and CD-ROM or another disk drive, which is the last drive letter. For example, E colon. A cloud drive is a web-based service that provides storage space on remote server. What do you mean by cloud drive? When you say cloud drive, it is a web-based service that provides storage space on a remote server. When you say cloud drive, additionally, a storage drive that helps us to store our files rather than a computer local disk. A cloud drive, it is a web-based service that provides storage space on a remote server. For example, cloud drives which are assigned access over the internet with the client-side software are useful for backupping our files. Indirectly, we are backupping our files. When we upload our files to a particular cloud-based drive, which is OneDrive or Google Drive, we are on the way backupping our files. In case if the system stops working, we'll have a copy of file in another drive, which is on cloud drive. Some people may be confused with drive and driver. These are separate terms. They are not the same. When you say computer drive, it is hardware. When you come to a driver, it is the software. If you are looking for help with installing or updating the software related to hardware, driver is a group of files that enable one or more hardware device to communicate with the computer's operating system. For instance, if you have a printer or digital camera or scanner, if you want to connect and communicate with the computer or use with the computer, you have to install the software. That software is called driver. It is a group of files that enable one or more hardware devices to communicate with computer's operating system. Without driver, the computer could not send and receive data correctly to the hard device, such as printer. You cannot change soft copy into hard copy in the absence of driver software. Every printer have its own driver software by its model number. Mostly when we purchase any printer, it comes with the CD. Here, figure 1.3 shows you device and drivers. For example, local disk C, under parenthesis C colon. The driver is C. The disk is local disk. The other partition local disk under parenthesis D. The other is E. If we plug flash disk, it gives the next letter, which is F. According to the above activity system C, we have system C. System C is known as hard drive partition for local disk C. The operating system or the program for a particular computer software is stored under system C. The other partition storage D. If we have a partition, it will be assigned as storage D. The other is optical disk CD drive E, which helps us to store any data or program or audio files. The other is the USB drive, which will help us to plug and use the flash disks. How the letter is assigned? It gives the operating system automatically after the last letter. If we plug another flash disk after F, it gives the next G letter. For today, thank you. Please subscribe by just to support me, subscribe my channel. Thank you for today.